Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integrated services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. Okay, so already similar kind of video I have published I think last week, but in this video little difference is there, so I'll try to talk more on that. So if you notice here, I have one chart and one card visible and one slice. Okay, based on the slices selection, I'm trying to display the number of sales in days wide. So for example, if you notice here, we can see that there are 4 different type of slicer values. I mean last 7 days, 28 days, 90, 365 days. Okay, based on this selection, we are trying to display the sales. So even I told you in last week also, my data set contains last day 31st, so July 2004. So from that onwards, it will try to show the previous sales. So for example, it means that when I click on, so last 7 days means from July 31st onwards, July 25th. Okay, 7 days exactly. Again 28 means from 31st to, so the respective 28 days. 90 means again same thing. 365 means again from last date onwards minus 365. Okay, so this kind of scene even we have seen last video, but in this video I am trying to display the dates. For example, if I click on last 7 days means even I am trying to display the dates in the card visual also. Okay, I am trying to display the dates in the card visual also. So if it is the same year, I am not displaying the year twice. For example, so last 7 days means it is the same year only. Okay, so July 25th to July 31st 2004. Again last 28 days means July 4th to July 31st. Okay, 2004. In case if I select last 30 days means May 3rd to July 31st 2004. In case if I select last 365 means August 2nd 2003 to July 31st 2004. Okay, likewise, so based on this selection, I am trying to display the dates in the card visual. Okay, in the previous video, so we did not do this kind of experiment, but this video we have done. So and also we'll try to go through the code also. So what kind of expressions we have written on that. It's very simple only. We'll try to see that. So go to demo measures. Okay, so test result. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. Okay, so basically, so I have declared a couple of variables already. We have seen similar kind of video last video. So here, so the first one is, so I'm trying to capture what are the value we have selected in the slicer. I'm storing into the variable. Again, in this variable, I'm trying to take the what is the max date in the fact table. Okay, what is the max date in the fact table? Then I am trying to subtract based on the selection. For example, -7, 28 days and 90 days, again 365 days. So all these things are so storing into the variables, result 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Again, while returning in the final variable, I'm just validating based on the if condition. It means that if the selected value is last 7 days means I am returning one variable. If it is 28 days means one variable. So likewise, based on the selection, I am trying to return the different results. Okay, if we did not select any value, I am trying to show no value selection. Okay, in the slicer, if I did not select anything, I am trying to display no value selection. So this is the sales, whatever we have seen. But for getting this code, I have written different method. So same, this is very simple, right? So here also there are a couple of variables. Okay, so the first variable is what are the value we are selecting. After that, max date. Again, from the max date I'm trying to so extract days, months, and year. See, here also same thing. Okay, but a few changes are there. Again, from the if condition I'm returning again if the selected value last 7 days means one variable, another, so like that. Okay, so likewise we can write the code and we can issue the what are the required output also. Okay, so it's working fine, exactly it's giving the expected output. So in the upcoming videos we'll try to do some other experiments. Even I'll try to add one more custom. Okay, so custom slicer value, it means that if we select custom slicer, I will try to display the dates column. So based on that, the user can select it, whatever the date you want you can select it. So we'll try to do more experiments in the coming going forward. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.